This video explains how to count unique values in the column of a pandas data frame using the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. As a very first step, we need to import the pandas library, as you can see in the first line of code. And then we need to create an example data frame using the DataFrame constructor, as you can see in these lines of code. So after running these lines of code, a new data frame called data is created, and we can print this data frame below the code box using the print function. And then you can see that we have created a new data frame containing 9 rows and the 2 columns values and groups. And in both of these columns, some of the values are repeated. Now in the next step, if we want to count the unique values in one of the columns of our data frame, we can apply the nunique function, and we have to apply this function to the column that we want to check. So in this case, I want to count the unique values in the column values. And then I'm storing the output of this in a new data object that I'm calling countUnique, and I'm printing the content of this data object below the code box. So after running these lines of code, you can see that the value 3 is returned, and this tells us that the column values contains 3 different unique values. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.